Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to block someone on Facebook. So for you to be able to block someone on your Facebook, just simply do that using two methods. So you have to go straight to your friend list, your friend list right here, all friends. So just click on the person you want to block from your friend list, then just tap on this three dot icon right in front of the person's profile name. Click on it, then from here you have the option of block. You can see block James, just simply do that from here, then confirm. You can see this person has been blocked. Then the other method is just go straight to the messenger icon. You can see it's from here also, just click on the three dot icon, then you should have block from here. It's very simple. So from here you can simply choose the reason why. So even though this actually works and you can block the person from messenger, whenever the person sends you a message you will not receive the message, but that doesn't mean the person is totally blocked off from Facebook. So if you want to perform the total block, a full blocking, just click on this, which is block on Facebook as well, or probably just block messages and calls. You don't want the person's making some messages and calls, but you still want to be seeing the person posting some stuff on Facebook. This actually comes with the two options. So you can block the person for messages and call, and if you feel like a total block, like a friend block, just use this option, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.